Welcome to the launch of Trilogy 40 Q Mode, the latest ultra-high efficiency geothermal heat pump from ClimateMaster. This unit exceeds 40 EER and is the first and the only in the industry to do that. The closest competitor is 30 EER in the geothermal industry. So this is the most efficient geothermal heat pump you can buy. It's called Trilogy because it's driven by 3 variable speed components: a variable speed inverter compressor, a variable speed fan, and a variable speed internal water pump. It's called Q mode, or it operates in 4 modes, which is patent pending: space cooling, space heating, generate portable hot water while the unit is cooling, and also generating dedicated year-round domestic hot water even when the unit is not space cooling. This unit comes in 2 units. The first one has a variable capacity of 9,000 through 30,000 BTUs. The second unit has a variable capacity of 18,000 to 60,000 BTUs, and that's what we are calling them. The consumer benefits of this unit are the high efficiency and superior comfort. It delivers superior temperature and humidity control because it modulates the capacity of the unit to meet the demand, and also controls the temperature of the air coil much better since it's a variable speed unit. It's also very quiet because it slows down the operation when the demand is lower, and it runs in part load condition most of the time. So from a consumer perspective, this is the best unit money can buy. From a dealer perspective, there are 4 main features that we want to note. The first one is advanced monitoring and diagnostics. This is an industry exclusive that no one in the geothermal or the air source industry have. It's almost like a mini lab inside this unit, and it has 15 sensors. And those sensors are monitoring the refrigerant pressure and temperature, both at the compressor and at different points on the circuit. It measures the airflow and air temperature. It also measures the loop water temperature, both entering and leaving, flow in GPM, and also the loop pressure. It has communicating controls. That's the second feature that shows what's going on with the unit from those sensors and the board in plain English on a thermostat, and it allows for 4-wire installation of the thermostat to the unit. The third feature is it has an internal flow controller, so you don't need an external fixed speed flow controller. It's an internal variable speed flow controller. So it saves you labor in installing, not having to install an external flow controller, and it saves homeowners money because it's consuming fewer watts to pump the water through the loops. It has ease of access. It has a swing out control board and easy access panels to access any part of the unit you need to service it. From an installation perspective, it's easy to install because there's no external flow controller. There's almost no setup, no dip switches, and that saves you time and money because this unit runs pretty much automatically adjusts to the conditions. From a service perspective, it's a service technician's dream machine. Because it has all the sensors and the communicating controls, the unit tells the homeowner and the installer what's wrong with the unit if there's something wrong, and in the installer mode tells you the conditions at the time of the fault, and also shows you the calculations of things like superheat, subcool. So this unit is an all-rounder. It has great consumer benefit, great installer and service benefits. You've got to consider this unit for your next installation. Thank you for your time.